Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome to LJ's channel. So ngayon, nandito kami sa drive-thru ng McDo. Kasi merong nag-treat ng all-time favorite na ice cream. McDonald's.
English. Translate.
So we are here in drive-thru. So I'm with my colleagues. Oh my God.
And also the driver.
Yes.
The handsome driver, patata man.
Patata.
The patata boy.
Patata.
The patata boy. Dirham yan. Walang ganun.
So ayan guys, nandito na kami sa drive-thru ng McDonald's.
Sister, tell price. French fries. Small. Small. Hindi na dagdagan ng dos. Mas lang. French fries. Fries. Patata. Dirham patata. Dirham patata. Parang tingin kilo lang. What's this per kilo? That's not current. Not yet cooked, no? Only patata. You will be the one to cook for that. 8 dirham per patata. Tell, keep the change, ha? Honey, ha? Don't worry. You will not pay.
Baba, it's fine. No cook already, ha?
Look at the cheese, ha? Look at the cheese. Nice, nice. Baby. Yes. Wow. Ah, yeah. Bye, patata. Only for you, only for you. Okay, add 2 dirham, patata. 10 dirham, magkano ba yun? Hindi, ang laki ng tiyan ko dyan. Bilhin mo muna, bilhin mo muna, stomach in mo. Oh, masyadong ano.
Right?
Patata.
No patata.
Patata, ha? Okay, ice cream. Okay, ice cream.
Next time, Baba.
Patata only for you. Oo. Kaya mo na yung patata. Eh, patata tuloy. French fries. Patata ka na rin. Yung French fries.